Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the BLITZU Cyborg 168H. H means headlight. There's also a 168T, probably means tail light. I mean, it's a red one. This light emits a white bright light, so this definitely fits for the front, or works as a headlight, of course. Here we have a description on the back. Hope you can see that. It says super bright 168 lumen, so we know where the name is coming from. 180 degrees visibility, charge from any device with USB port, 2-hour charge time. That's pretty cool. And runtime, I can't remember. It's depending on the brightness you choose. There are 3 levels of brightness you can choose, as far as I remember, and it starts with, I think, 1 or 1.5 on the brightest level, 2 hours on medium, 2.5 on low, or even longer. I think maybe up to 4 hours or something like that. Here we see, I think it's the lowest setting. It works for up to 6 hours. It should be drop resistant up to 2 meters. That's about 7 feet. IPX4. I don't know what exactly it means. Probably it should withstand a small rain shower, but definitely not for swimming. And it's USB charging. We take it out of the box. Let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see everything, and we check what's in the box. I have already made similar video 2 years ago, and maybe they have changed anything. So the reason why I bought this again is because it broke. Even when it is an Amazon recommended product, this can break. So I hope this doesn't happen again, because I didn't use it too much. Out of these many bike headlights and tail lights I had, this is the one I've chosen, or I've been using the most, of course. It's the best. So I have tried about 10 different lights for tail and back, and this is the one which seems to be the best one, and it has great reviews, and it is the Amazon's choice, for a reason, definitely. So we have the standard micro USB plug. Even when you can't see that, it's micro USB, and of course here we have standard USB, so it fits for this plug here. You can open that easily and charge it on every USB charger. So here you can see, I mean, this is definitely not good for diving or something, but nobody takes this in a swimming pool. So, but it should be good for a rain shower. Shouldn't be a problem. And the thing is, what actually broke is this button here. That is a little bit disappointing. It somehow looks stable, so if you press that, it makes you feel that it is something really durable. I don't know if this happens a lot, that it breaks. The reviews are good, the returns are really rare. So actually it should last for a while. Here you see, usually you just press short and it should turn on, and as you can see, it's super bright. So it's some kind of a beam. It's not only bright, so you can see that there's some kind of beam. It really you can really illuminate the road easily. You can drive on the highest settings. You can drive on a completely dark road with only this thing. So I've tried this, no problem. So when you push again, it's even brighter, and this is the third thing. I think it's the brightest level. You can see there's a really high beam. Yeah, you can drive like in daylight. So this goes back to the lowest setting. Can't remember how to switch to flashing. There's a flashing mode. I think you have to probably yeah, I was just I think you have to long press with starting. So let's turn it. Yeah, and okay, so let's do it again. With long press usually it stops, and when we start it with long press, I think then we see this blinking thing. And then sorry, my fault again. Yeah, long press, it starts with the blinking, and you have different blinking modes. So it's a fast, intermediate, and slow blinking level, and long press, it stops again. And if you start with a short press, then you have the lowest setting, one more press, intermediate. I think it, yeah, anyway, it has 3 levels. So really good so far. Here we have a light. I can't remember if this works as a charge indicator, which indicates that it will soon run out of power. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so this is absolutely the case. I hope you can see that. So here it says low battery indicator. It's flashing orange on low battery, and it's also a charging indicator. That's good. So you have an indicator for charging and low battery. And yeah, what do we have? We have mounting, different mounting possibilities. Here we have the minimum and maximum diameter, but I think it's almost impossible to have a bike where it doesn't fit. I have tried at so many locations. It's almost impossible that you find a bike where it doesn't fit. It's absolutely the most versatile, most versatile, most strong, I think even most durable thing which you find. I don't know why my thing broke. I hope this won't happen again, otherwise I really have to talk to these guys. I mean, it's $20. It's not super expensive, but it's not super cheap. Here you have the different run times. 1 hour 30 on high beam, and then it goes down, goes up to 6 hours when the light level goes down, like on the 3rd level. Hope you can see that. Doesn't really focus. Yeah, that's really good description. Back to the thing. So it's actually 2 parts, and here that's really important. This is a square. So if you can, let's say you have the handlebar and want to attach it, so usually you would do that like this from the side. Okay, if you don't put it to the handlebar, let's say, I don't have the right names, but in the front, like where you have something like a vertical thing, and then you attach it from the top. So that's a really good thing. I mean, you can insert it from the top. So that was a really good construction idea. So no matter where you have it, you can always place it in a horizontal level. So you don't have to operate it like this, because it wouldn't be good to illuminate the road. So no matter if you have to attach it like this or like this, you always can have your light in a horizontal position, and it's good because then you can operate it from the top, because here's the button, the button. Okay, and here you have different sizes, and it's really super flexible, so it does really fit for almost anything. It's hard to imagine that there is a bike where it doesn't fit. So I think that's everything for now. Really absolutely my full recommendation, except the button which broke, or I mean it didn't break, I mean it just no matter how hard I push, it's almost impossible to get it going. So that's the thing. I don't know why it happened. So I'm just guessing I got a really bad product, and yeah. So my full recommendation, and I put down the link to the description so you can order directly from there. That's my affiliate link, of course. If you appreciate my work with this video, would really appreciate if you could do that. And anyway, if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.